Hello, hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we will look into the updates of Odoo 18.1 and we are going to discuss about the cards in field service. So all appointments details are automatically included in the field service task created when the appointments are confirmed. So let's see how can we do that. In order to do that, you can just move on to the website, and from the website, here first we just need to create an appointment. Click on the edit button. Upon clicking on the edit button, you can find the snippets over here. And we can just add the appointments over here. I'm going to add the appointment. And afterwards, we can see the changes that we have made. Now, let me create a new appointment. So as we are just dealing with the appointments for field service, either you can just create the appointment from here, or you can just move on to the field service and create the appointments from the appointment module and all. So here in this case, you can see that we have the site, and under the site, we have the appointments. So I would like to choose the appointment for boiler maintenance. So as you just move on to the field service, here you can find different tasks in the field service. So I would like to create the task for boiler maintenance. Okay. So right now, let me copy the name, and later on, you can just move on to the website module itself, or you can just create the appointment from the appointment module also. But I would like to create it right now from the website module. And let's click on new in order to create the new appointment page, where you can find every details like the appointment title, duration, create a slot every 1 hour, pre-booking time, and the scheduling window. And you can find all other details. So if you want to add any questions in your appointment, you can also set the question. So I'm going to provide it as what is the issue. Now let me close. So if you want to add multiple questions, you can also add that, and let me click on save. So once this is done, you can see that the appointment is created and we can easily schedule the time. So I would like to select the time as 3:30 p.m. And as we said that, you can see that we can just set the appointment over here. So we can say that the boiler makes weird noise when it is turned on. And upon confirming the appointment, you can see that this appointment will be automatically created in the field service. Now, as you just move on to the field service, from there we can find all the tasks. So I'm going to consider all the tasks over here. And in this case, as you just move on to the Gantt view, you can see that will be caught over here. So you can see the appointment which is logged or caught in the Gantt view. And if you want to make any further changes over here, you can click on edit, and you can see the necessary information from this section. So that's how we just deal with the quad in Odoo 18.1 field service. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.